We've got Mark down in a quadruped position first. Put the feet flat, Mark. Yes. Now he's going to push away from the floor. He's going to get rid of any hollowing in the upper back. And he's going to make a nice neutral spine. So just gentle posterior tilt. He's then inhaling, exhaling without collapsing at the trunk. Okay, so we collapsed a little bit then, Mark. Okay, now we go opposite side. Good. So he's better on that left. Exhale back. Okay, we're back to right now. Make sure we don't collapse on this side. Inhale as we go. That was better. Exhale through. Good. Focus on your trunk. Focus on the ribs staying down as you move. Inhale, exhale. Good. Inhale, exhale.